Hambai kya takokte bukuk songno tinini job ungkha North Tripura district ni hoite kaisa vacancy okorka obongkha bongni website Norok thangwi visit khaina mano o jaga no bongni kaisa post nokrumani jeng abono ti salainai naitongdi omono ongkha bongni notification okrumani jeng nailainai tabuk omongkha work interview ongnai 7th July 2020 at 11 am in the conference hall of DM office North Tripura. Je North Tripura je conference hall tongmani ajago o interview ongnai. O job actually contractual basis 1 year ni bagai post ni bumung khanai leni cheng district program officer vacancy kaisano year ni bagai cheng mo apply khaimano tai education qualification nangnai graduate in any discipline arts commerce haike science from recognized university tai diploma in computer application abani pore experience in disaster management related works tai resident of North Tripura district ni wngna nangnai tai monthly salary ka 15,000 tai age na nangnai between 21 semi 40 years as on 1st March 2020 tai jara interested tongnai rok o interview ni bagai norok jorani logi no advance thangai ajaga attend khaidi tai logi plan paper with photograph tlangai tai logi noni je relevant nong documents tongmani abone attach khaidi tai noni original document ongno twlangna pokdi tlangai norok apply khaidi so asungno o interview ni bagai te tako bukuk songno nang kaisa kok sanamo songo ani o channel norok subscribe khaidi subscribe khaike tamunai ang je jeforpano job ni bagai ketal notification phaikangke norok ni ro direct notification thangnai norok naimanai nong bagai chanai ang takisa kok sanamo songo jodi norok o job ni bagai interest ya haike norok eligible ya phanung mano ba eligible phanung mano ba noni interest kari haifano norok o video no share khagike jara interest tonai rok borok phano rimano haide borok phano makhangke belanya sauni through abono chung borok pun chungi phaike ba jotono chung chubana nangnai chuba khaise chini tamo hanai jotono kawi manai haidiba asungno tinin bagai takukte bukuk song khulumbai kya।